how to play sound and music in Roblox voice chat through mic. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play sounds and music in Roblox using your microphone through voice chat. So make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Search for voice mod in the search bar. Click on the first result that says voice mod and download the application. After downloading, run the installer and follow the setup steps. Click OK. Scroll through the terms, then hit accept and click next a few times until the installation begins. Once the installation is done, click finish to launch voice mod. Let the app load and complete all the necessary updates. When it opens, go to the soundboard section on the left side. Now here you'll find a bunch of free sound effects. You can use these or upload your own sounds directly from your computer. After choosing your sounds, you can assign a hotkey like the E key to play the sound whenever you press it. Once everything's set up, minimize voice mod. Now open Roblox. Once you are in the Roblox, join any game where voice chat is allowed. I'm going to this game. Wait for it to play. Once you are in it, click the Roblox icon. Go to settings. Scroll down to the voice input option. Switch your input to voice mod virtual microphone. Make sure your account is verified as 13+, because voice chat only works for users above that age. And that's it. Now, every time you press your chosen key, your sound will play through the mic inside the game. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.